Hi, this is Ivan with Simple Sheets. In this video, we're going to do a step-by-step tutorial of our credit card payoff template. This is one of over 100 pre-built and smart templates that we offer. Click the link in the description and try 5 free templates before you buy. Let's get started. The introduction sheet contains a short description about this template. Credit cards are a great financial tool when used responsibly. This template will allow you to map out and see your credit card payments to help set you up for financial success. Over here, we have a customization difficulty, an explanation of the sheets that come with this template, and some instructions on how you can utilize this template. At the bottom, we have a short guide on using our templates with compatible online services. The only sheet you have to work on with this template is the credit card payoff calculator. Specifically, just the credit card details. You input your total balance owed, the interest rate your card charges, the minimum monthly payment, and the proposed monthly payment. When you've filled out all the info, it gives you some quick stats to the right side, such as the months to pay off basing off of your minimum payment and proposed payment, the total interest based on the minimum payment and proposed payment. Below, you have a dashboard with some visual aids to help you see your payment performance. It gives you your total interest paid over time, your total monthly payments over time, as well as your minimum versus proposed payment for months of payment and total interest. In just a few steps, you can now view your credit card payment outlook. That's all for this template. If you want to automate your Excel processes and enhance your level of productivity, Simple Sheets Advanced Templates and University is the best tool out there. I'll see you guys on the next one.